3, 2, 1, crescendo!
And on the Red Alliance, 2 notes, in fact 3 notes fired at the speaker, and 2 of them finding their mark. Paradise shooting for another, a little bit high, but Highlander Robotics come back from midfield. Fortunately, there's not quite hitting its mark either, but they're still back with a couple more seconds in Autonomous and a chance to try again. However, Blue Alliance managed 5 notes to the Red Alliance's 3. That means they'll begin with a lead, and rotationaries are quickly ready to add to it, bringing a note to Blue Alliance's speaker. And Misfits, meanwhile, for Blue, over at the amp with a note on board. On Red, however, Highlander Robotics starting to score quickly. Looks like they toss 1 into the speaker and find another one, bring it right to the amp. Red currently has 2 notes banked in the amp, ready for scoring. And Paradise and Highlander each score in a now amplified Red speaker. Enough for the Red Alliance to bring this match tied, absolutely neck and neck. And it looks like they may take the advantage with a speaker note scored from 8033. However, Antares on the Blue Alliance is coming back with one. They lined up by their speaker, trying to get an angle. And they shoot. They do not quite get that shot off, however, but the blue speaker is amplified. Red Alliance with the advantage, but only narrowly, with a minute 20 in the match. Antares scoring this time in the blue amp. Red, however, has just amplified their own speaker. It looks like both Highlander and Paradise coming over to score. Meanwhile, Soda Cyber Dragons giving it their all on defense for the Red Alliance. Back on blue. Misfits making their way over. They have a note just teetering by the amp. Looks like they're trying to finish it off, and they do get that one scored. However, it is matched by an amp note from 7426. Blue, however, scores 1 and 2 notes from Misfits and Antares into an amplified speaker. However, they are still going to have to score a little bit more to catch up to the Red Alliance's lead. And back on Red, we have Paradise coming back. Red speaker amplified. They are shooting, and they score, getting that extra few bonus points. And we have just over 20 seconds left. Red Alliance with the advantage. And on blue, meanwhile, as we are now into the endgame, Antares is already over, parked underneath the blue stage. It looks like Paradise trying to maybe bring back one last note. 10 seconds left. We'll see if anyone is approaching the stage for Red. 5 seconds, and rotationaries are grabbing onto the chain. 3 seconds left. Rotationaries are up in the air, and Misfits joining them just in the nick of time. By a score of 78-52. And that means our Red Alliance remains in the upper bracket. That means next round we will see them play in match number 8. And Blue Alliance remains in our